Hey, what's up everybody? I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a cup of coffee with the Keurig coffee machine. Now I'm going to add in this. Get through. Oops. Put your cup on there. It's Friday morning. How about that? Can't think of anything else right now. Okay. There you go. My cat's eating some food. Look at that. Real time. There it is. By the way, this is a big time production. Added to the video, show you how easy it is to make a cup of coffee. And that's it, it's done. There you go. And now, of course, all you want to do now is add your cream and sugar. This vitamin D milk. And I'm going to add a little bit of sugar, but that's it. Once again, I like my coffee like I like my cream and sugar, sweet. So you all have a pleasant day. Having a cup of coffee and watch some CNN. I'm Big Brian. Yummy. Peace. Okay, so everybody know I like my Mr. Coffee machine. I made a video about that too. But the advantage of having a Mr. Coffee machine is that you can make your coffee strong. You know, just by adding more coffee to the filter, you can make your coffee strong. these, you have to use just this. So that's the advantage of having this coffee machine. You can make it stronger if you like. You can just add more coffee. You can make it black, you know. With this,